What's up guys? Today we're gonna do a 3D print on a GoPro part, which is a frame. First of all, go to Google and type out thingiverse.com. This is a website that basically has many projects that's done by other people, and it has many items that you can download and 3D print. Okay, for now I'm going to do a search for a GoPro frame. Okay, I'm going to choose the middle one here. Okay, select that, and you can basically download the STL file using the blue button there. Okay, now it's downloading. It's in zip format, so you have to unzip it. Okay, and unzip, and there is the STL file for the GoPro frame. Okay, next you're gonna open up an application called Cura. It's actually a free software from the makers of Ultimaker. Okay, you can download it and install into your system. Basically, it turns the STL file into G code, which is recognizable by the 3D printer. Okay, now this is what Cura looks like. First of all, I like to check my machine setting to make sure that the heating bed is turned on, and yes, it's turned on. So next I'm gonna click this load button here and load up the STL file that we just downloaded. Choose that one and hit open, and boom, there you go. The frame is loaded up into the Cura platform. Okay. With this you can rotate the image and see if anything is wrong, if you're happy with it, or maybe you want to go back and do some adjustments to it. You can do so, but now it's a purely viewing. You can view the product that you're gonna 3D print later. Make sure you're happy with it. Okay, turn it around, check the dimension. You can scale it up, scale it down, whatever you want to do with it. Okay, yes, and once that is done, you can hit the save button, which is going to save it on the SD card. You see, it's saved there, and after that hit the eject button, which is going to eject the SD card from the computer. Once that is done, take out the card and insert it into the 3D printer. For my case, the 3D printer requires me to do the selection by turning the knobs, and once I've selected the file that I want to print out, I have to hit the knob and press on the knob. Yes. Okay, now the heating bed is heating up as well as the extruder. Once those two are heated up, the machine will start to print. Okay, now you can see the machine is printing the first layer. I'm gonna do a time lapse on this so that it will go faster. As you can see, it's really amazing what layering technology can do. This is called layering technology, by the way. It places a layer by layer of material on top of one another. Okay, while this is going on, the user is free to do whatever they want to do. Maybe go for lunch or dinner or breakfast, or, the machine doesn't require any more input from you. It's just doing its thing, 3D printing. Okay, it's amazing to see that how the movement of the extruder as well as the build platform. It's like an orchestrated dance, you see, and the thing will create something out of nothing, basically. As you can see, I'm still doing work in the background. I'm just ignoring the thing, and the machine will do, keep on printing, and this whole operation actually took 3 hours to finish, but it's okay. I mean, within that 3 hours I got a lot of work done, so really no issue. Okay, this is another view. This is almost at the ending part of the print. As you can see, there's a lot of printing already done, from the beginning to the end. You can see the amount of material that is deposited will be around 5.36 meters. Okay, that's a lot of material, but again, it's cheaper than buying outside, and it's done. You see, you can use a pincer to remove the object or the artifact, or you can use your hands to just remove it from the build platform, like so. And as you can see, there's a lot of so-called cobwebs attached to the artifact itself. This is actually support structures that helps the printer to print all those overhanging overhang designs that are on the artifact itself. Okay, no matter, you can use for those cobwebs, you can use a file or pliers or sandpaper to remove them. It will take some time, but it's just part of the process, because this is called the finishing process. As you can see, I'm using a file to file away all the unnecessary parts, and voila, there you go, a nicely made 3D printer GoPro frame for my GoPro. As you can see, it's nice, it's sturdy, and it looks quite good actually. So leave your comments down below and ask me any question, and once again, thanks for watching. Goodbye.